Welcome back to another guys. Today we are going to talk about app notification setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you how to off app notifications in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on you want to off app notification, so you can off. Let's see. And one more thing guys, which I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on app and notifications. Click on notifications, see all. So guys, which app guys you don't need a notification, so guys you can off from here, like YouTube, text code guys, share karo guys, say go live, don't need any notification. Photos notification guys you want to off. Netflix notification you want to off. Google Play Store, Google notification, Gboard notifications, files notification, contact notification guys you want to off, so guys you can off from here. Guys, YouTube notification you want to off, so guys you can off. Chrome notification, Gmail notification guys. And come back guys. So guys, these apps, which app guys you want to off, so guys you can off from this setting in Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off apps notifications in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.